Touch your
I wonder if I can.
See, look, this is the consistency it should be, so that you can put it on, like.
Just try it like
on
and
somewhere.
Put it over here.
So why don't you do it?
You're supposed to go like that, and then. Oh, I got rid of it.
Wow, this is cool. All right, let's see.
Okay, so let's. I'm going against the hair. Okay, it's hard to see because I don't have much hair. I'll do this. I just lay it on however, right?
Yeah, and then you're gonna pull it
This way. Yeah.
So far,
it definitely feels better on my skin.
Doesn't hurt at all.
It doesn't hurt. It's cheaper. I like that it's like organic in the sense of like I'm not using like a chemical wax base. Okay. Ow!
See, look at how much is on there. You can reuse that.
So this is you're supposed to go. Aren't you supposed to apply it downwards?
Nope, against your hair. Against the hair.
Really?
Yep, that's how I tried it the other way. It doesn't work.
Oh.
I experimented.
No wonder I've been doing it wrong.
Only with sugar wax.
So this is homemade.
Homemade.
So what is it made with?
This big jar was made with 4 cups of sugar, half a cup of water, half a cup of lemon. That's the ratio. 2 cups of sugar, and then a 1/4 cup of lemon and water.
Oh.
And so the way the consistency came out though is that you're gonna have to use the wax strip.
We didn't do it right.
But it's not bad. Like, does it hurt at all?
No.
It doesn't, right?
And you grew it out all winter, right?
Yep, this is all winter.
And look, you're reusing the same wax strip. That's really good.
While you're waxing, why don't you have some shorts on or something? I don't know.
Yeah, I know. I told you.
Oh, that's really cool. But careful, you're gonna flick that somewhere too. You're gonna flick it on me, and I'm gonna have glue.
Yeah, you're in.
That's pretty cool, though. I gotta admit. Whoa, that's cool. Is that really working?
Can you see the hair in the video?
Yeah.
Okay.
Damn, that worked well.
And it doesn't even hurt. I don't know how to, like, with regular waxing, it really pulls on your skin.
Yeah.
This isn't pulling on your skin. I don't find that to be the experience at all. See, but it's hard to get off from there.
Yeah, so that's...
Ow! Ow!
That's not working.
You making a peanut butter jelly sandwich?
That's the part I don't get. Why are we...
Why? But it can spread perfectly, but it doesn't have the lift for it. I think there's a piece of grass in that one. But it comes off. It feels like when you're basically you're expecting it to not have any hair on it when you peel it off because it feels so
Like it didn't work.
like it didn't work.
But the hair's
it
gone.
It worked. It's like
You pulled it right out. I said I don't have to.
Oh, you don't have to.
So what did you do? You did it again?
We redid it again.
Oh, it looks really clean.
It looks very clean. We're gonna try to see what we can get out.
Well, now we know if there's wax on anything, you just add hot water.
Exactly.
Oh, really? It just dissolves?
Just hot water.
It just dissolves?
So
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
With waxes, you can destroy it.
Just remember, you want to go against the skin.
Okay.
So that looks like, is it like a tacky?
It's tacky, but let's see. Okay, ready? So
That's
let's see.
supposed to be the way it looks.
Oh, maybe we can peel it as is.
Wait, hold on. Get it like to the top like that.
Oh. Well,
Maybe, what do you, wait a minute or?
wait a. Give it a second. Oh, it is pretty tacky. Look, it's just coming off my everything.
Interesting. Is it warm?
No.
Ow!
Okay, so no. Okay, no, we won't do that then. Jeez. You're so dramatic.
No, that shit hurts. I have long hair. Oh wait, let me just do this. 'Cause... Oh yeah, that works. But I guess it's not working the hard way. We have to use the strips.
Okay, so let's just do this quick, I guess. Turn around.
Okay, so try not to be so messy. You're like getting... It's gonna just wash up. What's the freaking deal? Oh shit! It's working like they did it on the internet. Look at that. Beautiful.
Really? That's...
That's beautiful.
You guys keep cut.
Don't
be
Oh, baby.
nervous. Okay.
Oh, that worked. Nice.
We did it. This is it. You did it. I fucked up the first formula a bit, but so now, okay, good. So now we don't even have to use the wax strip. Ready? Let's go. Let me do it. It's okay. I got it.
Sure?
You trust me?
I don't know.
I see
But
this
for
one's going
against
that
the
way.
hair,
Yeah, I
yeah.
got it. I'm gonna use the same strip, okay?
I trust you, so I'm like, I'm closing my eyes.
Ooh, that's the Achilles.
Ah, the Achilles of waxing.
It took us 6 hours and I haven't even gotten.
I know. I'm like, it's
Legs.
nighttime. I've been,
know,
I've been up there typing away, doing so much work. I'm like, are they still waxing? I'm like, she comes in, she's like, you missed it. I'm like, oh, did you already wax? She's like, no, we're about to. I'm like, what have you been doing? It's been like 2 hours. Ah, that was the Achilles.
Shit.
Woo!
Don't
And-
put so much wax on it. And like go like this. That helps it. Yeah. Yeah, there you go.
I pulled it the wrong way, to be honest, last time.
Ah.
I'm gonna be honest, I'm sorry.
I trusted you.
Sorry! You shouldn't have! No, I'm sorry. No, I got it. I'm sorry.
She did. I was watching her brush it one way, then she pulled it the other. I didn't even think.
I was supposed to pull it the other way.
That's like a lot of wax. Like really spread that thin.
I know pulling, don't shh.
She's like, shh, I know I'm ow!
Ay, ay, ay.
It's like,
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Don't
you know how to do it?
Yeah.
You remember? You gonna
She needs bigger strips. She wants to do like major. Oh.
Oh, that was good.
Yeah, the bathtub's a great idea. It's just gonna melt away.
Exactly, if it gets in the
Oh,
bathtub.
you're pulling my hair. Is it supposed to? You're a fuck up like me. Remember how to pull it? There you go.
Look at that.
That's nice. If you're gonna use wax strips, this kind of defeats the purpose. Remember to rub it on there. Yeah. This is definitely like the slowest. Ow!
Stand up straight! Stand up straight!
Ow! I'm scared.
You don't have to be. Stop!
It hurts. I'm going to the salon tomorrow to finish this up. I think I'm good.
Oh, you're not.
You're like literally, there's no way, there's no hair
You're still half ape, sweets.
You're still half ape.
I wouldn't want to, I don't know.
Slowly, but we're getting there. The method, you just
Oh, that's awesome. Wow, that's so cool. That's how they do
okay.
that
Well now,
shit.
okay now, give me that ball you have.
It's probably stuck to her.
What the? No. How come it doesn't stick to me? Oh, you're like fucking Spider-Man.
She's a waxing man.
Okay, so now let's do a hairy part of your leg so we can really showcase to the audience.
Is this supposed to get stuck to your fingers like this?
It can, but you know, it melts.
I
See?
just got my nails
That's okay.
done.
It's okay. Stop doing it! Okay.
Jeez, what a mess. That stuff is weird.
I know, it's really weird. Okay, ready?
Give it a sec.
Okay, we'll leave it on for a while.
Start doing another one and come back to that one later.
I feel like this is gonna happen.
I'm gonna do it.
Oh shit!
Oh my god.
Oh my god, this shit's working.
Pretty good.
Oh, shit, man, this has been happening all day.
But that's okay. It's gonna dissolve.